Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable spell checking and grammar checking in emails on your Gmail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the setting gear icon up at the top right corner of your inbox. Go ahead and left click on that. And underneath quick settings, you want to select the see all settings button. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath grammar and spelling. So if you want to turn grammar suggestions as well as spelling suggestions on or off, you can select those respective options here. And then if you have to make any changes at all, you will have to scroll down to the bottom and select the Save Changes button to confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.